everyone, Amanda here from Sweet Pieces, and we are so excited to launch our brand new bathroom design consultation right here in the showroom. This is Lauren from Studio LBD, a bathroom design specialist and our new design partner in crime.
I love that. Yes. So Amanda, thank you. I first want to say I've been designing bathrooms for probably over 20 years now, believe it or not. I feel a little old when I say that. And I actually met you doing DIY, which was so fun back in the day. So here we are. We're excited to launch this September. I will be here every Wednesday from 1 to 4, helping do design consults for bathrooms.
It's going to be so exciting. And let me tell you, we have created 3 levels of service so you can choose the support that's right for you. We know that when you decide to tackle a bathroom, it's so overwhelming and you need support. You need to know how to do it. What has to get done? So we have a few different options for you.
So first, our DIY option is 1 free hour consult where we'll go through your vision and we'll point you towards the styles and finishes you fit in your space and execute the vision that you have for your space. I think it's the perfect way to get started.
Definitely. Next is our Done With You Signature Package. So for $1,500, you get 5 curated looks from top vanity vendors, complete with tailored mood boards. It's literally like having a designer in your back pocket, saving you from costly mistakes, endless guesswork, and hours of scrolling online. I know you've spent hours scrolling online. Stop. You don't need to do that anymore. Let us help you. Let us be your guide. So for clients ready to move forward after your 1-hour consultation, this package pays for itself in peace of mind. And finally, our Done For You custom bath design.
This is the full service option where we handle everything from selections and sourcing to creating a complete design plan you approve. We handle the details and your dream bathroom comes to life seamlessly.
Oh, we love it. So whether you're just exploring ideas, want professional direction, or prefer a completely hands-off experience, we've got you covered. Book your free Wednesday bathroom consult today. Spots are limited. She's only got 3 hours, people. And we're going to start September 17th is going to be our first launch date. So get your calendars, get your booking, and we'll get you in here today.
See you there.